The world of Indian sweets is like a vibrant tapestry woven with diverse flavors, textures, and aromas. Each sweet dish tells a story of heritage, culture, and tradition, reflecting the unique identity of the region it hails from. From the royal North Indian varieties to the delectable South Indian delicacies, the sweetness of India enchants every palate. In North India, the undisputed star is the jalebi. With its golden orange spirals, crispy exterior, and soaked in sugary syrup, this sweet creates a symphony of textures and tastes. Often paired with warm milk or yogurt, jalebi makes for a delightful breakfast that truly awakens the senses. Next in line is the mouth-watering gulab jamun, little balls made from khoya that are fried to perfection and then immersed in fragrant rosewater syrup. One bite reveals its soft, melt-in-the-mouth consistency, a blissful encounter of sweetness and warmth. Carrot halwa stands as a testament to winter indulgence in Indian households. Made from grated carrots, slow-cooked in milk, and generously sweetened, this pudding transforms humble ingredients into a rich dessert. Finished with a sprinkle of dry fruits, its rich, comforting taste is a festive joy wrapped in nostalgia. Moving towards the arid lands of Rajasthan, Ghevar takes the center stage during the Tej festival. This intricate honeycomb-shaped sweet is crafted from flour and milk, each bite emanating a sweetness that feels like a warm embrace. Journeying to South India, we are welcomed by the soft and fluffy Mysore pak, a royal confection made from gram flour, ghee, and sugar. This grainy sweet is a celebration of indulgence, evoking a sense of euphoria with every morsel. Another South Indian classic is payasam, a creamy dessert made from rice and milk, often enriched with dry fruits and spices. Each region has its own version, showcasing the diversity of this beloved dish, akin to the confluence of cultures in India. Heading towards the east, one cannot overlook rasgulla, soft, spongy balls of chenna swimming in sugar syrup. Their lightness mimics the soft clouds in the sky, providing sheer bliss with every bite. Complemented by the rich and varied flavors of message and mishti doi, Bengali sweets offer an exploration of taste that lingers long after the last spoonful. Lastly, West India brings us Srikhand, a refreshing treat made from yogurt, sugar, and cardamom, ending this sweet voyage with a cool and light celebration of flavors. In essence, Indian sweets are not merely desserts. They are an integral part of the cultural mosaic, each bite inviting you to embrace the essence of India. Subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos in the future. By subscribing, you'll be the first to see our latest uploads and be part of our growing community. Your support truly makes a difference.